Asia's #1 testing instruments manufacturer. Easy steps to test vacuum leakage in pouches with Presto Vacuum Leak Tester. Start by adjusting red knob with PU pipe. This is how machine will look like. Set up power plug and start the main switch. Remove the desiccator lid and place the test specimen inside it. Click on Profile Setting and enter all the details like program number. User can make 9 different programs, user name, product name, instrument number, etc. Test the sample for the vacuum leaks. Observe that the vacuum incremental value started increasing on the display, and after reaching the set vacuum range, hold time will start automatically. On completion of test, pass-fail indication window will appear on the screen along with buzzer. Click History from main menu to view the recorded results. Testing vacuum leaks in pouches can be highly beneficial. By finding and repairing these leaks, you can ensure product freshness and reduce the risk of product contamination. Want to take a live session for this testing instrument?